Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another tutorial. In this video I will show you on how you can turn on and off slow charging and how you can check your battery if the charger is slow or the battery is slowing charging. So let's get started. Tap on the notification bar. Tap Power Mode. Then Adaptive Power Saving. This will set the power mode automatically based on your usage patterns to save power it's not needed. Tap Charging. If you unplug the charger, it will enable the option, but if you plug, the option will be disabled. If you tap Fast Charging off, it will automatically charge slowly, and if you turn on, it will charge fast. Tap Fast Wireless Charging on. That's to show that it will automatically charge fast, so let's go back and check and see if it works. So unplug and plug it again. So as you see, it's now charging normal, so I think is the best way of setting the show charging on and off. If your phone is charging slow, make sure you check if the option is off, then you turn it on. If you have any question, you can drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to reach more people, as your support will help keep this channel growing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.